Congratulations, you've made it to project number 4, which is a choral score. You will find the PDF of the score, which is Be Still My Soul, in the Files folder for project 4 on Canvas. You'll notice that it has a piano part, an SATB part, and that we will end up sometimes having the piano part with the soprano, alto, tenor, bass, and sometimes we have the piano part with soprano, alto, tenor, and bass broken into their own stave. So that is the fun that we are going to add to this project. It's a little bit longer. Projects are going to start getting harder, but you have the foundation skills to get it done. So here we go. We're going to go to the finale. We're going to do a setup wizard. We're going to do SATB and piano. It's already done for us. The engraved style. We're going to hit next. Notice it puts it in the correct voicing order. We're going to hit next. Title, Be Still My Soul. No subtitle. Composer is Jean Sibelius. Arranger is Tom Caruth. You'll notice the original says arranged by Tom Caruth. Copyright 1997. Tom Caruth. Arrangement only. We're going to hit next. Where are we? We are in G major. We are in common time. Our tempo is moderato. We have pickup measure for 3 counts. Well, we have 63 measures. Finish, and here comes our score. All right, now the big objective of this project is to learn how to use staff styles, and we'll be using them quite a bit, and that's what we're going to use to be able to get our SATB to disappear for line 1 and to get our piano to disappear for the next few lines, and so on and so forth. So the first thing we need to do is get 6 measures on our line 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So measure 7, I'm going to kick down into the next stave. You'll notice that it did that for all parts, all piano and vocal parts. You'll notice that the vocal parts don't exist for the intro. So if I go to the staff tool and I right click or control click the staff handle on the top staff, I can hide empty staves. And boom, my choral part is gone. Or not really gone, but hiding. If I wanted to bring them back, I could control click and show them all, or show each individual one right there. So now I can put in my piano part for the first 6 measures. Now for SATB, the next line I need to hide my piano part. So how many measures? We have 6 through 12 on the second stave. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here's 13. I need to be in my selection tool, not my staff tool. Hit my down arrow button. And I now have 6 there, and 13 starts there. So I'm going to click once, hold down Shift, and click in the bass clef at the end. to select that whole region. I'm going to go to my staff tool. I'm going to right click that staff handle or control click that staff handle. Hide empty staves. And it got rid of those. Now I need to combine soprano and alto. This is tricky. I'm not going to combine them. I'm going to hide the alto part. I'm going to select that line and hide the empty staves. And for the tenor part, I'm going to hide the tenor. While we're talking about the tenor real quick, let's take a little zoom look here at the tenor clef. You'll notice that it's a treble clef, but it has this little 8 hanging out on the tail end of the treble clef. So what you do is you notate it in the treble clef, but it's actually sung an octave lower. Just in case you were wondering what that was or didn't know what that was, that's a special tenor clef. Alright, so you'll notice in our original score here that the tenor and the bass are in the bass clef. So we're going to hide this tenor clef. Control click, hide empty staves. It's gone. So now I have a soprano and a bass part. And I'm going to put in the soprano line and the alto line on the same stave, and then the tenor and the bass line in the other bass clef stave. So you can go ahead and do that part now. That's probably enough to get you going on the score. I'm going to make some more short videos coming up. We'll go over things like caesuras, breath marks, rehearsal markings. We'll go over how to put in repeat signs with endings, and a few other things. We need to bring the piano part back. I showed you how you can unhide staves. So you probably have enough to get going for now. So I'm going to have you go ahead and start with that, and I'll make another video updating the project as we go.